Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. In today's video, I'm going to make some Easter eggs. We're going to go into insert shapes. I'm going to look for the circle. It's either there or here. Now we've got the basic shape. We're going to go right click, edit points, and we're just going to make sure they're all smooth points. Okay, that's perfect. The top, we're going to bring in these points, and the bottom, I'm just going to take them out and expand them a little bit. Okay, now we just make this bigger. Like so. Shape format. In this case, make it yellow. Shape outline. Let's give it a bit of a black outline. Bevel under shape effects. Like that. So there's one. I'm going to put a little bit of decoration on it. And first, I'll make a copy of it. I'm going to need about, let's just say, 5 of them. Okay. Now, shape fill for the second one. I'm going to make it that color. Shape fill. Third one, I'm going to make it green. Shape fill. Let's make one purple. And then the last one, shape fill. Let's have a look what they have here. We want a red one. Let's do this one. And maybe make one more. Let's go with black. So now you can go into insert shapes and we look for the curve line under lines. And you basically use the left mouse to make any kind of designs you want on it. So you're going to go like this, you're going to go like that, like this, like that. And I made it too short. Let me try that again. Let's go insert shapes, curve. And we end it there. We hit escape. You can go choose blue, shape outline, weight. And shape effects, bevel. And you can choose a bevel. I'm just looking at which one I want here. I'll go have a quick look here. I'll take that one. And then you can use other shapes as well. Let's just see here. I'll finish this one off. How do we want to do this? Down here maybe. want it brighter. And get a hexagonal shape. I don't know if we want to go, I think we want to keep it black in that, put the outline yellow, make it wider. Maybe that one. Shape effects, bevel, shape fill, no fill. Copy, paste. Just choose this one. No fill. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's go with that. Like a diamond. Go align, distribute horizontally, align, top, outline, make it the same, 0.5, 0.35. These ones, every second one. Shape fill would be gray. Let's make that gray. Make it gray. Give it a heart. Shape effects, bevel. Like that. Grab the curve. Escape. Yellow. Shape outline. Weight. Just going to edit the points and take this point out, make it cleaner. Insert shape. Okay. Insert shape. Let's go with that one. All right. Take each one, select objects, group them. I just hit shift and then left click to select all the pieces in there. Okay. Like that. I have to hit shift and left click just to grab everything. Group everything. Okay. We're done. Thanks for watching.